If you're interested in this video, also check out the one on how to wash your clothes sustainably and how to buy clothes sustainably. Tens of millions of tons of clothes end up in landfill or are incinerated each year. So it is vital that we reduce this. Because I give a lot of thought, ignore the, or take in the little seeds flying past the camera. The tree over there is sending off loads and loads of seeds today. Because I give my clothes a lot of thought before I buy them to make sure that I'm actually going to keep them for a long amount of time, it isn't often that I will sort through what I'm not keeping. Very rude plane. But let's say I didn't want this top anymore. I have a few options. I could ask my friends and see if anyone wants it. I could put it on Freegal or Freecycle, which is where people can get things for free, or I could send it to a charity shop. I could sell it on eBay or Vinted or Depop. This is a growing market. Or I could turn it into something new. I could perhaps make a little bag out of it, make it short sleeved, do something new with it. But let's say it's got a hole in it or a stain or something. So this top here has two little holes in that are quite obvious when you wear it. And these trousers I got from a charity shop. They were getting chucked out because of how muddy the bases are of the legs. So your options for if something's broken or stained is to try and fix it. So that's what I'm going to do now. You can turn them into something new, especially t-shirts you can make into tote bags very easily, or you can turn them into other bits of clothing, or you could keep all of your things. Like I have a whole bag of clothes that need repairing, and if I don't repair them, then I could make them into one big kimono or something, like just collect them, or give them as fabric to other people to do what they want. They can be turned into a new creation. If, for instance, this had a black stain down it, you could just dye the whole thing. So turn it into a whole new colour. If it's not getting repaired, at least use it as a cleaning cloth. Just cut a little rectangle or whatever shape you want your cleaning cloth to be. If none of these options are plausible or no one wants to take the fabrics and use them to do something creative with, then at least we are recycling them. So we're taking them to a clothing recycling point. These are a little bit, things don't always get recycled. So that's why we're doing everything we can to extend its end of life before taking it to a recycling point. A lot of products, people think it's at the end of its life, you know, because it's got a couple holes in it. It's not, it's got more time in it. So, just a quick example, I'm gonna repair these. So thankfully these are really long. So they go to my foot anyway. So I can probably cut off a good 2 inches of those. And this, it's got 3 holes in it. So we're gonna fix these. And normally I've got the perfect color on the bobbin, but the other one is slightly too light a pink. Might do them inside out, and then the bobbin is the one that shows. Now I'm no seamstress, so let's not judge how I execute this. So I just want quite a rough edge to it, so I'm literally just gonna sew it and cut it. Perfection. See, I've made a new hem here. No more mud. And we've got ourselves just a nice pair of jeans with clean ends now. I only have 40 minutes to record this video, probably why I seem quite stressed. So with this one, I'm going to sew it from the inside so you can't see the stitching and no holes. So now we've got new jeans I f***ing love, and they're not so nice. And a repaired top. So basically we've got ourselves a whole new outfit. There's so many options to divert clothes away from landfill and incineration, and we really need to start taking them. When you buy a piece of clothing, you've got to look after it all the way throughout its life, extending its life, and then at the end of its life, let's see how we can extend it some more.